Welcome to another RJB eBay Live unboxing and how I screwed up my gold stacking method. Hello, welcome back my brothers and sisters of the coin. This is Seismic Sales. We're going to do a quick unboxing of another RJ Bullion eBay Live pickup. If you're ever on the eBay platform, you should check them out. These guys are hilarious. Prices are good and they ship fast. These pouches are really cool. I have about 7 or 8 of them. They're really smooth. Making of this video is December 1st, so check out these Merry Christmas rounds. You got Santa in the front, 2023 in the back, made by Golden State Mint. We do have some gold eagles, but that kind of put me in a jam, so we'll talk about that later. I do love the Coca-Cola bars and the Coca-Cola rounds for their shininess. Next is a Vader coin with a bonus. Look at that on the D. I don't know what that is yet. Maybe I'll take it out and taste it later. But yeah, that's a great bonus, you guys. I'm not mad at you. It happens. I at one time spilled Chinese food on my TPS report. That first Coca-Cola bar was a 1 ounce bar. This one is a 5 ounce bar. They protected it a lot better. It's shiny, it's frosted on the sides. It's eye-catching, and all of a sudden now I want a soda. 5 ounce Aztec calendar. Does have a spot there on the right. Anybody know why the Coca-Cola bar was protected with bubble wrap and not the calendar? Let me know below. Here is the 1 ounce Priomet silver card. Made in Pennsylvania. It is 2 1/8 by 3 3/8, 1 millimeter thin, I guess. You could put it in your wallet, but I'm not going to. My wallet's already big with old lotto tickets and In-N-Out burger receipts. This card is pretty hefty. Feels heavy. Still 1 ounce. I would not put it in my wallet. It comes with a COA, Certificate Authenticity. 2023 Pamp Suisse 50-gram bar, which is 1.76 ounces. Each has its own serial number and is placed in a $500 bill case. I have 2 co-workers that hate him, 2 co-workers that love him. I plan on giving them 1 each, all at the same time, and I'm gonna say, hey, you gotta open it all at the same time. Please let me know below if this violates HR policies. Back another Coca-Cola 1 ounce round. That makes 2. I will be putting these in caps. And we have a second Vader coin. Now I have 2, 1 regular and 1 with the bonus booger. These are 2022 Vader coins. I do have a 2017 coin. It's the one where he does not have the lightsaber. Next we have 1/10 ounce gold eagles. Total of 6 that I've won separately. When it comes up on auction, be careful. A lot of excitement. A lot of guys want to buy these. It's a lot easier to pay for these than it is a total ounce. So heads up and bid accordingly and safe. Here's where I screwed up. I have a tube. That was my goal, was to fill 1 tube of 10 ounces, and each tube holds 20. I bought all of these from RJ Bullion. They did not come in caps, and I did test them with my Sigma as soon as they arrived. And using the new math, I over purchased my limit by 3. I have 3 extra 1/10 ounces that will not fit in the tube. I got to figure out what I want to do now. I might do a mixed tube of different 1/10 ounce coins, but I like to keep everything the same. I feel like I'm forced to fill a second tube of 1/10 ounces, which I really don't want to do. What would you do? Comment below. Would you do another tube of American Eagles? Another tube of mixed 10th ounces? Do you like my new backdrop? Don't forget to subscribe. This is Seismic Sales. I am out like gout.